Assalamu alaikum, honorable viewers and my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Dear students, today I am going to teach the students of class 9 and 10. So, without wasting your time, please take all necessary things and be attentive to my class. Welcome to online class of Quran Bazar Girls High School. I am Mohammad Ali Hussain, Assistant Headmaster, Quran Bazar Girls High School. Dear students, in my last class, I gave you some homework. Have you completed them? Okay. Today, take your homework and match your answer with my answer. Number one, if you watch television, you can learn many things. Make it simple. The answer will be, by watching television, you can learn many things. Number two, if we use time properly, we can be benefited. Make it simple. So the answer will be, by using time properly, we can be benefited. Number three, if you take a balanced diet, you can keep fit. Make it simple. So the answer will be, by taking a balanced diet, you can keep fit. Number four, if we are industrious, we can prosper in life. Make it simple. The answer will be, by being industrious, we can prosper in life. Number five, if you are united, you can prosper in life. Make it simple. The answer will be, by being united, you can prosper in life. Number six, if you have good health, you will be happy. Make it simple. The answer will be, by having good health, you will be happy. Number seven, if you are honest, you can prosper in life. Make it simple. The answer will be, by being honest, you can prosper in life. Number eight, if a student fails in the examination, he suffers from inferiority complex. The answer will be, by failing in the examination, a student suffers from inferiority complex. Number nine, if he makes a proper use of his time, he is sure to prosper in life. The answer will be, by making a proper use of his time, he is sure to prosper in life. Number 10, if an examinee answers all the questions, the examiner becomes glad to see that. The answer will be, the examiner becomes glad to see an examinee answering all the questions. Dear students, today I am also going to teach you extra rules. Rules 8, if there is subject, verb, so adjective, that subject cannot or could not in a complex sentence. If we want to transform it into simple sentence, we have to write so. At the place of, we have to write to at the place of so, and to at the place of subject cannot or could not. For example, he is so weak that he cannot walk. Dear students, here is also so and that he cannot. So we have to write to at the place of so and to at the place of that he cannot. So the answer will be, he is too weak to walk. Number B, he was so poor that he could not buy a pen. Make it simple. Dear students, there is also so we have to write to at the place of so, and we have to write to abiding that he could not. So the answer will be, he is too poor to buy a pen. Number C, she was so full that she could not understand it. Make it simple. Dear students, there is also so and that she could not understand. So we have to write to at the place of so. and we have to write to abiding that she could not. So the answer will be she was too full to understand it. Rule 9. If there is subject, verb, so that or in order that, and then subject can or could in complex sentence, if we want to transform it into simple, we have to write to at the place of so that subject can or could. For example, he reads diligently so that he can pass the examination. Make it simple. Dear students, there is also so that he can. So we have to write to abiding so that he can. So the answer will be he reads diligently to pass the exam. Number B, we must work hard so that we can earn money. Make it simple. Dear students, there is also so that and subject and can. So we have to write to at the place of so that we can. So the answer will be we must work hard to earn money. Number C, this quality highly motivates a man so that he can sacrifice his life. Dear students, there is also so that he can. So the answer will be this quality highly motivates a man to sacrifice his life. Dear students, thank you very much. Thank you all. Dear students, you know we all are passing through a very crucial time. So you have to stay at home and remain safe. But in emergency situation, if you have to go out, you have to use sanitizer, put on mask, and maintain social distance. Thank you very much. Thank you.